Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we have a Scout 215 XSF. This is the 2024 model in the Midnight Edition. Has the black T-top on it, all full glass enclosure. Gas fill cap here. You've got pop-up cleats all down the gunnel. You've got another one back here on the aft deck. Flush mount rod holders. Sea deck back here on the swim steps. It's powered with a Mercury 200. Has trim tabs, underwater lighting. Let's jump up top, look at some of the features inside. Up here on the top, you've got LED spreader lights built into the T-top. Rocket launchers here and here. You've got a ski pylon if you want to pull a tube or a float. You've got a seat back here, tucks away very nice. A couple cup holders. Nice live well back here, the glass lid. Cooler underneath the seat, more cup holders. Bolster seats, use it as a leaning post or sit on them direct. Wireless phone charger, more cup holders. In-dash Garmin system, Fusion stereo system, everything's very nice and flush, tucked away. It's in steering wheel with a handle. You'll notice again, you've got all this enclosure to block all the wind and overspray. Moving around this way, you've got access to the porta potty. Battery switch is inside here. Moving up in the bow area, you've got a fish box. Nice seating with armrests, removable backrest here, ample seating in the bow area, anchor storage locker, again with more cup holders. Fantastic boat by Scout. This is at MarineMax Lake Norman. Come by and take a look. We'll be glad to show it to you.